welcome back to our channel. This is Holly,
Derek,
and we are here to unbox the, what is this?
to watch that hope you not get sick.
Watch that house does not get sick. So it doesn't actually tell time, but it's a relief band. So let's go ahead and open it up. Derek and I both suffer from nausea on a regular basis. When I would put pressure here, on, I think it's called the 6th, it would help. So we decided to get these relief bands to try them out. Facebook started posting advertisements.
I hope they're good.
They've been out for a while.
I hope they work really good. So we got blue. Can't see it. And then we got this really dark gray.
So there's not much of a choice colors between them. And then they had a winter sale that if you bought one, you got 25% off. And then if you bought another one, you got like another 25% off. So, I'm sorry, not 25%, $20, $25.
It's hard to get this open.
Here, I think I got that one off.
There we go.
Got it off. They're open.
Yay.
So again, this is the relief band Premier. They've been out for a while. They help with air sickness, seasickness. I pretty much get sick just looking at the car. So we got, you want help?
Yes, I need help. I think these are really good so far.
P6 is what it's called. Is the area.
P6?
Yeah, it's in between your wrists here, where the tendons are, the two tendons.
Okay.
And so when I hold this here for a while, it helps with my migraines and it also helps with nausea and dizziness. So I thought, well, we would try these, and it gives a little electronic pulse. And we're gonna see if it fits Derek, because he's got pretty small wrists.
Yes.
Measured our wrists. Mine, I have pretty big wrists.
Yes.
Mine is a 7 1/4 inches, and Derek's is, was it 5 1/2?
I have no clue.
Yeah, his is about 5 1/2 inches. So we're gonna see if his fits as a child.
How do we take these?
I don't know. What does it come with?
It says it comes with a charger. Whatever it is. The charger.
How's that for charger?
Oh, what's this? What,
oh, that's the stuff that you put on your wrist.
Okay.
So we got little instructions. It says charge before use, which we haven't done. So this part's kind of molded, and then you've got this part of the band. So you can see. We'll see. I think we're going to read the instructions. This one almost looks purple next to his purple color.
Yes.
This blue really looks purple. Charge before using, they mean it. So we had to charge ours. I got a little hot to switch it off. So, comes with some gel.
I'll turn it on.
It says to hold this button for a minute or a second and a half. There you go. Ooh,
Magic!
Hold on. I don't want to shock you. Alright, then immediately press the button to activate the therapy. So you put that on your wrist. It says 2 dots. Yep, that's good. So, I don't know what this is going to do. Okay. So if you notice, here, hold up your wrist. There's some space here, but I think we can make it tight. And it's going to work. We tried it out. It looked like it was going to work. And it wasn't going to be too big. Maybe. Okay, so it does go on. There's a little bit of gap on the side here, but I think it's actually rather tight, right?
Yeah. And it's still on.
So press for 1.5 seconds.
Do I do it?
No, that's on. No, it's on. This is the increase. Oh no, don't touch that one. That's the on-off button. There's the increase, and it goes up, and then you go down. So it's got 2 buttons on the side. It would be nice if it had like a watch attached to it, because a time. Because I mean, it looks like one, but it doesn't tell time.
It feels weird now because look.
Is it charging you or shocking you?
It does. That's freaky.
Here's the type of band. You just press that down and it holds it.
That's how if I feel sick.
Yeah.
It'll shock me and then it comes to my body.
It goes up to your head. They got a whole little diagram of what and how it works. Some troubleshooting. Actually a lot of information. If you feel tingling, what you're supposed to do, maybe if I have it wrong. I don't know.
I feel like, look how much I am.
Okay, so I said that my...
Oh, I'm at this much.
So I said my wrist was 7¼ inches. So you can tell that there's probably about another 1.5 inches of band.
It hurts.
It hurts. It's not supposed to hurt.
Okay. No, that's shocking.
I've lost my tape measure. So there's a little bit, probably about 1.5 inches left. So I'm going to turn mine on. So press this button for 1.5 seconds. It starts down at the low. And then I slowly go up.
And up.
Oh, I can feel it at 3.
I know, and it kind of shocks you.
It's like a pulse. It goes...
And it is. If you go lower, it shocks you more.
Yeah, so it's like... And then stops.
And if you go higher and higher...
So, it's got quite... So, at 3, I can feel it right now. At 3. And I'll probably leave it there. I mean, I can get... Oh! 4 makes a tingle. Don't do... Oh! My hand tingles at 4. Oh! I don't like that.
I went down to 7.
Hold on, it's tingling good. You should feel a tingling sensation in your palm or middle of your fingers. I don't know if I can get used to that. The therapy indicator goes a lot higher than what I had it on.
I know.
And it literally, they've got a little picture here. It literally, whoo! Can you feel that? Did yours, this may not be safe for kids.
What?
So it goes from 1 to 10. And then I stopped it at 3, because 4, ooh.
I went to like, I don't know how long I went to, but I think it was 7.
I think I read on another YouTuber's channel that, and it's probably in here, after about high intensity or something, it's about 8 hours that the battery will work. We charged it for like an hour, and the little thing there's a circle down here, and it,
what's the red mean?
it was showing the battery life. So there's a battery life indicator. Actually, there's better right here. Battery life indicator. I don't know if you can see that.
Where?
Other side. Flip it over. So we had it fully charged at 4 LED charges, which makes the full circle, at like maybe an hour. We ate dinner, and dinner was already made. So we ate dinner and then kind of sat around for a little while. So it didn't take long to charge it to full charge, but they weren't charged at all when we first came in. So what we're going to do is we're going to test them out for about a week and come back and let you know how we liked them. Again, this blue one is really purplish. So, I mean, I don't know. Okay, it looks blue next to blue. It looks purple next to purple. So, you don't even have yours on, do you? Does the little thingies... Oh. Okay, now I'm at 3 and I can feel the tingling. It's weird. I don't know if I can get used to this, guys. Then again, if it doesn't make me nauseous and I'm not throwing up, I'll be okay. Wow. It's really weird. It's like you can feel it shooting.
I know. I just
It's crazy.
I just
but I get car sick a lot. I also get migraines. And when I get nauseous, I get a migraine. So I'm hoping these work. I'm going down to 2. We'll see. But the relief bands, we'll be back. Just something really quick about the magnets, chargers. I didn't see a problem with connecting it. I mean, they come off really easy, but if you lay the watch down, I didn't see where, this would necessarily come off. You just want to be careful when you plug it in.
Be really careful.
USB end. And then this, they don't tell you what this is. It's just a conductor gel. And you can buy more if you need be. To me, it looks like Vaseline. They don't say what it is on here. It's a hypoenergetic. But because they don't say what it is, and I do not particularly like Vaseline, I may look into seeing more about what this actually is, or if there's another more natural stuff I can use. So anyway, thank you guys. Take care. We'll see you in a little bit. I can still feel it too, but it's not tingling, numbing. It's just a little vibration. I'm not sick right now, so we'll try them out tomorrow when we go. Oh no, see, if I put my wrist like this, I can feel it. I can feel it going down.
It's worth it.
I don't see it. I don't feel it at all. I don't even feel the little vibration.
Was this worth it?
I don't know. There were over $150. I hope they're worth it. And our my medical flex spending account did cover the cost for these. I had to go to their website to order it, but the flex spending accounts did cover the cost of these. It's weird. It's really weird.